Hello guys, and welcome back to another episode where we will show you how to make a beautiful, traditional, delicious dish using Basmati Karoon rice. Today we'll be making OUZI, a popular dish in Syria, Jordan and Palestine, and usually made for celebrations, weddings, but also Ramadan or Eid. Then what is OUZI? It's basically rice, vegetables and ground meat wrapped in beautiful puff pastry. It sounds good, right? Let's see how they make it. Wow, guys, you need to make this at home. So until next episode, make sure you hit that like button. And so you don't miss out on the future delicious dishes we will be making here at the Karoon Basmati Rice YouTube channel, make sure to subscribe. And also follow us on Instagram, Snapchat, TikTok, and Facebook. I'll see you in the next one. Ciao.